Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. So welcome to MAXCELLENT program College Matriculasi Johor. So today we are going to discuss Muafakat set 6 for DM025. Okay, so we look at the first part, that is part A. So for the first questions, we need to evaluate the following limits. Limit x power of 3 minus 4x over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2, and limit x minus 4 over a third x minus 2 as x approaches to 4. So this is the solution. So for the first step, we need to add another step here. Okay, so since we have x cubed minus 4x, so we can factorize as limit x, and then we'll get x squared minus 4 over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2. Okay, and then you can factor out for x squared minus 4, we will get x minus 2 times x plus 2. Then you can simplify. So we will get limit x times x plus 2 as x approaches to 2. And then you need to substitute your limits, that is x equal to 2, into your function, and then you'll get the answer is 8. So the marks here, the first one is for factorization. Factorize and simplify. And then the next key one for substitute here. And then the answer. Okay, so next, number 1B. So if you do a direct substitution, you will get 0 over 0, which means you need to conjugate for these questions. Okay, so conjugate first. So K1 is for conjugate. And then you simplify. So for this part, you need to expand your denominator only. Okay, so you'll get x minus 4 here. And then you can simplify. Okay, so the next K is for simplify. Then substitute your limits. Okay, and then you'll get the answer is 4. Okay, the first is conjugate. Then simplify. Substitute limit. Sorry. And then J is your final answer. Okay, so next you'll proceed with the questions 2. So we look at number 2A. So if limit of x minus 7 over x minus 4 as x approaches to 6 equal to 3, you need to find limit of x as x approaches to 6. So which means we need to find this function. So for these questions, you need to use the properties of limits. Okay, so you'll get limit of x as x approaches to 6 minus 7 over limit x minus 4 as x approaches to 6 equal to 3. So this is your first marks. Okay, next. Okay, substitute limits x approaches to 6 for your denominator here. So you'll get 6 minus 4. Okay, and then next you simplify 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay, so 2 times 3 equal to 6. Okay, and then you simplify. Okay, you will get limit fx as x approaches to 6 equal to 13. So for the first number 2a, the answer is 13. Okay, so the first K1, use the properties of limit. And then next, you need to simplify and then you will get the answer. Okay, so let's proceed to with number 2b. So we'll look at the question first. Okay, so we have this piecewise function. So mostly I will sketch the number line. Sorry, we have 0 only. Okay, so this is 0. When x equal to 0, this is 1. X greater than 0, the function is 2 plus x. And then we have x less than 0. The function is 1 minus e negative x. Okay, and then state here 0 from right and 0 from left. Okay, now we need to find limit fx as approaches 0 from left and limit fx as x approaches to 0 from right. So from this number line, you need to, we know that limit fx as x approaches to 0 from left is 0 from left. The function is 1 minus e negative x. Okay, and then for limit of x as x approaches to 0 from right, the function is 2 plus x. Okay, we look at the solution. Okay, so 0 from left, the limit is 1 minus e negative x. Then you direct substitute the value of x equal to 0. So 1 minus e power of 0 is also 1, so you get 0. Okay, when limit 2 plus x as x approaches 0 from right, you calculate, which means you substitute the limits, 0 here, you will get limit 2 plus x as x approaches to 0 from right is 2. So we know that limit 0 from right and 0 from left are not equal. So which means the limit does not exist. So you need to write down the conclusion here that limit fx does not exist because limit fx as x approaches 0 from left is not equal to limit fx as x approaches 0 from right. So conclusion ni mesti tulis kalau tak nanti korang tak dapat the final marks for J dekat sini. Okay, so next K1. Okay, boleh tengok markah kat sini. This is for K1. And this is also K1. Okay, J1 is for both answer and then the conclusion. Okay, so next we can proceed with questions 3. So questions 3 is chapter 7. That is applications of integration. So the question is the two curve y equal to 12x minus x squared and y equal to x squared plus 16 intersect at the point A and B. So the first one, you need to find the coordinates of A and B. So to find the coordinates of A and B, you need to do a simultaneous equation. So let's say this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Do it simultaneously and then you'll get the values of x and y. And then you need to sketch the two curves on the same axis. So if you look here, we have a quadratic graph for both. Okay, so when it comes to a quadratic graph, korang tahu graph dia sama ada senyum ataupun masam. Okay, so yang senyum yang positif, so which mean x squared plus 16, you akan dapat graph yang senyum. Okay, the another one, you akan dapat graph yang masam since you have negative x squared here. Okay, and then we need to calculate the area enclosed by the two curve. So we look at the first solution. Okay, do the simultaneous equation here. So K1, you equate the first equation and second equation, you get factorize, simplify and factorize, you'll get x minus 4 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Before that, from here to here, you need to simplify here. Okay, kena simplify dulu untuk elakkan korang kena tolak satu markah. Then baru you factorize. Okay, so get the value of x is 4 and 2. Then find the values of y. So you'll get y equal to 32 when x equal to 4 and y equal to 20 when x equal to 2. Okay, so the question is find the coordinates A and B, which means you need to write down your points in coordinate form, okay, in xy. Okay, so the answer is 4, 32 and 220. So J1 for the first one, and then the another J1 is for the second point. Okay, next I will proceed with sketching the two curves, sketching the graph. So this is the graph that you will get. Okay, so it's not difficult to sketch the graph. Nak sketch tak susah sangat. So kat sini nak tahu, you just find the intercept here. When x equal to 0, you'll get y equal to 16. So this is 16. Okay, and then graph senyum. Then the another one, we can factor out our function here, y equal to 12x minus x squared. Okay, so if we factor out negative x, so we'll get negative 12 plus x. Okay, so when y equal to 0, so you'll get x equal to 0 and x equal to 12. Okay, so this is your intercept at x-axis. Okay, and then you buat graph senyum lah. Okay, so this is your graph. The marks is R1, R1 for both graph. Okay, so the next question, you need to calculate the area enclosed by the two curve. So from this graph, this is our shaded region, bounded. Okay, and then you know that if you want to find area, this is your upper and this is your lower. So upper minus lower. So your upper function is 12x minus x squared and your lower function is x squared plus 16. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then we already find the intersection point here. That is x is 2 and 4. So this is 2 and then this is 4. Okay, which means when you want to find the area, you need to integrate from x equal to 2 to 4. And then your upper limits is 12 minus x squared minus with your lower limits, that is x squared plus 16 dx. Okay, so this will be our area. Okay, we look at the solution. Okay, firstly, we need to simplify. Okay, negative x squared minus x squared, you get negative 2x squared. Okay, so the first marks is for your correct upper minus lower. Mesti betul function ni, kalau terbalik je memang dah salah dah. Okay, you simplify, you get another K1 and then integrate, you get 12x squared over 2 minus 2x cubed over 3 minus 16x. Okay, this one another marks for your integrate. And then substitute the limits. So you need to substitute upper limits, that is 4 minus with the lower limit, that is 2. Okay, you calculate, you get the answer is 8 minus 3 units squared. Okay, so that's it for part A. Then we will proceed with part B. So the first questions, this is limits. Okay, so we have a lot here. Lots of piecewise function here. So firstly, I'm going to sketch our number line. Okay, so now our x we have -1, kita ada -1, 3 dan juga 6. So -1 and then 3 and then 6. Okay, so x less than -1, the function is x cubed minus 3. Okay, from -1, -1 to 3, the function is x plus 3 squared plus k. And then from 3 to 6, mx plus 4. And then x greater equal to 6, we have it here. Okay, so now we need to evaluate limit fx as x approaches to -2 from right. Okay, so -2 we don't have, kita tak ada dekat sini kan. Okay, so yang ini sebenarnya ramai student yang tanya. Okay, -2 duduk dekat mana daripada kita punya number line. So this is -2. -2 duduk dekat sini. Actually, the function that we will take or we will choose is x cubed minus 3. So which means limit fx as x approaches to -2 from right, kita punya function adalah x power of 3 minus 3 as x approaches to -2 from right. Okay, faham Okay, and then next, if you want to find limit fx as x approaches to 8 from left. So 8 kan dekat sini. So 8 daripada number line kita duduk di sini. So this is 8. Okay, so 8 from right and 8 from left. Okay, so 8 from right and left, our function here is 8. Okay, so ambil je dekat sini. Sebab tu kita buat number line ni supaya senang kita nak tengok kita punya fungsi yang kita nak pilih. 8 left. Okay, so that is for number 1A. Okay, if you look here, questions 1B, we need to find limit of x as x approaches -1 and limit of x approaches to 3 are exist. So which mean kalau dia kata limit exist, okay, x from A from right dengan maksudnya limit daripada kanan dan juga kiri, kita boleh samakan dia lah. Maksudnya limit daripada kanan sama dengan limit daripada kiri. Okay. Then nanti kena cari satu-satu lah, kena refer juga dekat kita punya limits ni. So kalau limit kanan, saya buat kat sini sebab nanti bila dah next dia tak nak. Okay, sorry. Sini sepatutnya nak 3 kanan, 3 from right, 3 from left, -1 from right, -1 from left. Okay, so which mean -1 from right, the function is x plus 3 squared plus k, and then -1 from left, the function is x cubed minus 3. And then 3 from right, the function is mx plus 4. And then 3 from left, the function is x plus 3 squared plus k. Okay, so we look at the first part dulu untuk nak solve. Okay, ni tadi saya dah tunjukkan kan kenapa kita dapat x cubed minus 3. So you just calculate, substitute the values of x, -2. So you'll get limit of x as x approaches to -2 from right is -11. So marks is K1 and J1. And then limit fx as x approaches to 8 from left, the limit is 8. Okay, so jawapan dia apa? 8 juga kan? Okay, so K1, J1. Okay, next, B. So from the previous number line, okay, tadi you dah nampak number line tadi kan? So satu daripada kiri, the function is x cubed minus 3 and one from right, -1 from right is x plus 3 squared. So you equatekan dia and then substitute the limits x. Okay, gantikan x. Then you get your K. Okay, you calculate, you get K equal to negative 8. Okay, first marks, second marks, substitute and substitute and simplify. Oh, tak nak keluar lah. Okay, that one is substitute and simplify. So, this one is final answer. Okay, next. 3 from right and 3 from left. The function is mx plus 4. Then you equatekan dengan x plus 3 squared plus 8. Then the same things goes here. You need to substitute the values of x. Okay. So 3 plus 3 squared, 6 squared. Nanti dapat kira-kira dapat m equal to 8. Okay. So K1 and J1. Okay. So hopefully boleh faham sebab ni soalan ni dah biasa kan korang buat untuk sebelum set muafakat yang lain. Okay, next. Questions number 2. So we need to evaluate limit exponent power of 2x minus exponent negative x over exponent of 4x minus exponent of negative 2x as x approaches to 0. Ya, ini mungkin ramai yang tak tahu macam mana nak buat. Okay. And then B ni dah biasa. Okay, we have modulus 3 minus x over 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 as x approaches 3 from right. Cuma kita nak tentukan kita punya fungsi dekat sini sama ada kita nak letak positif ataupun negatif. Okay, so firstly, okay, kalau tengok dekat sini dia terus dapat our denominator, the function dia dah terus factorize kan. Okay, because if you do a direct substitution, you akan dapat 0 over 0. Okay, jadi nak factorize yang ini mungkin ramai yang tak tahulah ni yang sangkut dekat sini. So how we want to factorize this function? Because in terms of exponent kan. So kita boleh cari yang senang adalah contohlah saya ada x squared minus y squared. Okay, so x squared minus y squared, kalau saya factorize, saya akan dapat x plus y, x minus y. Ataupun x minus y, x plus y times darab lah. Okay, jadi dekat sini, you all boleh let kan, let's say x equal to e power of 2x. Okay, x equal to e power of 2x. And then y equal to e power of negative x. And then kita akan dapat kita punya factorize macam inilah. E2x minus e negative x times dengan e2x plus e negative x. So gunakan konsep factorize yang ini. Boleh faham Okay, next. Since you dah dapat macam ini, you can simplify your numerator and denominator here. Okay, so the left function is limit 1 over e power of 2x plus e power of negative x as x approaches to 0. Next step, just substitute the values of 0. Okay, so e power of 0 is 1, then plus 1, so you'll get 1 over 2. Okay, so 3 marks for these questions. Okay, and then for number 2b, okay, so firstly you need to define modulus 3 minus x. Okay, apa-apa pun kena define dulu. Okay, so kita ada 2 part. Okay, we have 3 minus x. The another one, korang akan tulis negatif 3 minus x. Okay, so untuk yang first ni, kita akan buat dia greater than 0, greater equal to 0. So, negative x greater equal to negative 3. So, since x kita ada negatif, so kena change dia punya sign, so dapat 3. So, for otherwise, yang lagi satu ni kita akan dapat x greater than 3. Okay, so for this question, kita nak 3 daripada kanan. So, sebenarnya korang boleh buat juga number line. So, we have 3 right and 3 left. So, 3 from right. Sorry. Okay, we have 3 minus x and sorry. 3 from right, the function is negative, ada negatif kat sini. Okay, and then yang kurang ni, x less equal to 3, we have 3 minus x. So, untuk 3 daripada kanan, kita akan ambil function yang ini. Then, you will get, korang kena letak negatif lah dekat sini. Ini je lah menentukan korang punya K1 tu. Okay, and then you can simplify. Nak simplify tak boleh lagi sebab kat sini 3 tolak x, then you punya denominator x tolak 3. So, korang kena simplify dulu. Okay, darab masuk negatif ni. So, you'll get x minus 3. And baru you all boleh simplify. Okay, so we'll get limit 1 over 2x minus 1 as x approaches to 3 from right. And then substitute the values of x, then you'll get 1 over 5. Okay, so that's all from me. So the next questions, we will continue with Madam Hanum.
Okay, now we proceed with question 3. Okay, integrate t square minus 1 over 2t minus 1. Okay, then by using substitution, we choose u. We choose 2t minus 1. Wait, sorry. Okay, then differentiate 2t minus 1, okay, 2, okay, then t as a subject, u plus 1 over 2, okay, then we substitute. Okay, we substitute u plus 1 over 2 square minus 1 over sed u, okay, then dx dt substitute with du over 2, okay. So now we are going to expand. Okay, expand u plus 1 over 2 square. Okay, expand u square plus 2u plus 1 over 4, okay, minus 1. Okay, then simplify u square plus 2u plus 1. Okay, then this one multiply with 4, so minus 4 over 4. So we get u square plus 2u minus 3 over 4. Okay, then we multiply with 1 over u power of 1 over 2. Okay, times 1 over 2. Okay, we will get 1 over 8 now, Okay, so simplify. Okay, u power of 2, okay, minus 1 over 2. Okay, we will get 3 over 2. Okay, and then 1 u power 1 minus u power 1 over 2. Okay, then half. Okay, and then this one is negative 3 u power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, 4 and 2 multiply 1 over 8. Okay, then integrate. Okay, integrate. Then substitute u in terms of t. Okay, then this one is the final answer. Okay, so K1 for choose u and then differentiate. Okay, and then another K1 for substitute and simplify. Okay, okay, and then K1 must in terms of u. Okay, and then integrate. Then final answer. Okay. Okay, then hence evaluate. So we are going to use this answer to substitute the limit 5 and 1. Okay, now substitute the limit. The limit 5, okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, 5 minus 1. So final answer is okay, final answer is 224 over 15. Okay. Okay, proceed next question. Question 4. Okay, next question. Question 4. Okay, question 4. Given y equals to 3 power of x cube, okay, then find the value of dy over dx when x equals to 1. Okay. Okay, so this one is star, star. Let this one is star. Okay, so differentiate. Okay, salin balik. And then differentiate star. Differentiate star is 3x square. Differentiate x cube is 2x square. And then ln base. Okay, so this one is base 3. So times with ln base 3. Okay, and then substitute x equals to 1. Okay, dy over dx when x equals to 1. Okay, then we get the answer is 9 ln 3. Okay, so differentiate 2 marks. Okay, and then substitute value another 2 marks. Okay. Okay, next question. Question 4A. 4B, sorry. Okay, given y, okay, ex ln 2x plus 1, and then show that this given question. Okay, so by using product rule, okay, product rule, u is exponent x, u prime, okay, differential exponent x, okay, and then v ln 2x plus 1, okay, differentiate ln 1 over star or function 2x plus 1, then differentiate function, okay, 2. So 2 over 2x plus 1, okay, then substitute into formula. Product rule u v prime plus v u prime, okay, u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, then simplify. Substitute ex ln 2x with y. Okay, and then bring 2x plus 1. Okay, or multiply all to 2x plus 1. Okay, we will get 2x plus 1 times dy over dx. Okay, and then 2x plus 1 multiply with y. Okay, then we proceed. Okay, differentiate again. Okay, this one is u v u v. Okay, so u is 2x plus 1 u prime, differentiate u2, and then v dy over dx, okay, v prime, okay, differentiate first derivative, second derivative, so d square y over dx square, okay, and then for 2x plus 1 times y, the same u, and then v is y, okay, v prime is dy over dx, okay, differentiate y, dy over dx, okay, now substitute, okay, u v prime, okay, plus vu prime, okay, and then this one u v prime plus vu prime, okay, then simplify, okay, simplify 2 dy over dx, okay, bring to right hand side, okay, minus minus 2 dy over dx, okay, and then you plus with 1, okay, so minus 2 minus 1, sorry, minus 2 plus 1, you will get minus 1, okay, so that's why here is minus 1, okay, okay, and then okay, sorry, so from first derivative, okay, from first derivative, okay, we get 2x plus 1 dy over dx, okay, is equals to 2ex plus 2x plus 1, okay, y, okay, then substitute 2ex, okay, so 2ex as a subject, so 2x plus 1 dy over dx minus 2x plus 1 y, okay, and then this one just copy back, okay, so that's why then we simplify, okay, simplify, okay, 2x plus 1, okay, times with dy over dx, okay, so we will get 4x, sorry, 2x dy over dx, okay, this one is 2x dy over dx, okay, plus dy over dx, okay, okay, this one 2x dy over dx, okay, and then minus dy over dx, okay, so dy over dx minus dy over dx, we will get 0, then 2x plus 2x, we will get 4x. So 4x dy over dx, okay, minus 2x minus 1, y, okay. Okay, and then this one plus y, okay, 2xy plus 2, sorry, 2xy plus y, okay, sorry, negative 2x, okay, and then expand, minus 2x minus y, okay, then plus with 2y, okay, we will get minus y, okay, okay. We proceed next question, question 5. Okay, differentiate each of the following, okay, by using product rule. Question 1. Question 1 by using product rule. Okay, and then question 3 also by using product rule. Okay, okay, by using product rule, okay, u is x, u prime 1, okay, and then v ln x power of 4, okay, by using power rule, okay, by using power rule, okay, power buat depan, salin balik yang dalam, then power less 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, and then differentiate ln, okay, 1 over x, okay, substitute into u v prime plus vu prime, okay, then simplify, okay. So differentiate k1, okay, uh, differentiate u, okay, and u prime 1 k1, and then differentiate v prime k1, okay, then final answer j1, okay. Okay, next question, question 2, okay, just direct substitute, okay, by using law of ln, okay. So 1 over function, okay, this one is star or function, okay, 1 over function, and then differentiate function, differentiate star, okay. So differentiate x is 1, okay, and then differentiate x square plus 4 power 1 over 2 by using power rule, okay. This one by using power rule, okay, 2 marks, and then simplify, okay. Then equating denominator, then final answer, okay. You can cancel this one. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay, by using product rule, okay, u v, okay, u is x, and then differentiate by using power rule, okay, tangent for x, okay, okay, power buat depan, okay, 1 over 2, and then salin balik yang dalam, power less than 1, okay, 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2, and then differentiate tangent is secant square, and then differentiate lagi sekali, differentiate yang dalam 4, differentiate 4x is 4, okay, and then this one is v u prime, okay, then simplify, okay, simplify, equating denominator. Okay, question 5. 5b, okay, given cotangent, cos over sine, okay, and then differentiate, find differentiate cotangent, okay. So cos over sine by using quotient rule, u v, so by using quotient rule, v u prime minus u v prime over v square, okay. Okay, substitute by using quotient rule, okay, 1 mark, and then substitute, differentiate u and differentiate v, 1 mark. Okay, and then simplify, negative sine square minus cos square, okay. You can factorize negative, okay. You can factorize negative, okay, cos square x or sine square x, then plus sine square. Sine square plus cos square equals to 1, so negative 1. So negative 1 over sine square equals to negative cosecant square. Okay. Okay, hence, find differentiate cotangent sine x. Okay, so if you get a question, they have hence here, so means that you have to use answer before. Okay, use answer you get in before question before. Okay, so use negative cosecant square. Okay, differentiate cotangent equals to negative cosecant square. Okay, cosecant. Okay, and then the function is sine x. Okay, and then or star. Okay, and then differentiate sine. Differentiate sine, we get cos. Okay, so final answer is cos. Okay, negative cos x. Okay, cosecant square sine x. Okay, 2 marks. Okay, next question. Question 6. Okay, question 6a. Okay, evaluate integrate 2x plus 3 over x plus 1 square. Okay, by using substitution. Okay, you choose substitution denominator. Okay, u is x plus 1. Okay, and then differentiate 1. So du equals to dx. Okay, and then x as a subject, u minus 4. Okay, then substitute. Okay, substitute x plus 4 is u, and then dx is du. Okay, and then substitute x with u minus 4. Okay, then simplify. Okay, 2u minus 8 plus 3. Okay, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, okay, and then we can separate. Plus or minus in numerator, we can separate. Okay, so we can separate. So 2u divided by u square is 2 over u. Okay, and then 5 over u square. Okay, then integrate 2 over u is ln u. Okay, integrate 5u to the power of negative 1 is 5 over u. Then plus c. Okay, substitute u in terms of x. Okay, that's final answer. Okay, 4 marks. Choose u and differentiate 1 marks. Okay, and then substitute u and simplify. Okay, 1 marks. Okay, and then integrate 1 marks. Final answer 1 marks. Okay. Okay, then substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Then final answer 0.196. Okay. Question 6b. Integrate 2 plus x over set 4x plus x square. Okay, by using substitution, we choose u 4x plus x square. Okay, then differentiate. Okay, differentiate 4x plus x square is 4 plus 2x. Okay, then we want to cancel with 2 plus x. Okay, so then we must factorize. Okay, factorize 2. So 2 plus x. Okay, then we can cancel 2 plus x with 2 plus x. Okay, so dx is equals to 1 over 2 du. So 1 over 2 du. Okay, so integrate u to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, then substitute u. Okay. Okay, question 7. Last question. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. sorry. The question asks, okay, by using substitution, give your answer in form of A set B minus set C. Okay, then substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, then give the answer in set form. So 2 set 3 minus set 5. Okay, last question. Okay, given the curve y, okay, cubic, x minus 3, x plus 3, okay, and the line x-axis, and then the line x equals to 2 and x equals to negative 2. Okay, sketch the graph, find the area, then find the volume. Okay, so when y equals to 0, x equals to 0, okay, x equals to 3 and x equals to negative 3. Okay, so plot 0, okay, 3, negative 3, and then y equals to x cube. Okay, so first quadrant, start with first quadrant, okay, and then label x-axis, okay, label x-axis, y-axis, okay, and then label intercept, okay, 0, 3, negative 3, okay, 2 marks. Okay, and then don't forget the line x equals to 2 and the line x equals to negative 2. Okay, so therefore the region is here. Okay, so for negative 2 to 0, upper minus lower, okay, the curve minus 0, this one is 0, okay, and then for 0 to 2, okay, 0 minus curve, okay, okay, curve minus 0, 0 minus curve, so upper minus lower, okay, upper minus lower, so integrate, okay, then substitute value. Okay, so the first mark for area, formula area, upper minus lower, okay, and then integrate, okay, integrate, and then must show substitute value. Please remember this, okay. Student always skip this step, so you cannot skip this step, okay. You will get 1 mark here, so don't skip this step, substitute value, and then final answer. Okay, last question. Volume, okay. So volume, okay, pi and then integrate from negative 2 to 2 x cube minus 9x square, okay. So we direct from negative 2 to 2 because square, okay. So we direct, okay, and then expand, okay, expand, integrate, substitute value, okay, final answer. So this one, the formula must have square and pi, okay. Then this one, expand, okay, integrate, okay, substitute, okay, upper limit minus lower limit, then final answer. Okay, before that, before we end this session, I think I want to do the question show just now. Okay, question 4. Wait, question 4. We redo question 4. Okay. So I think we don't have any problem when differentiate first derivative. Okay. Okay, and then to proceed, okay, To proceed, differentiate again. So bring 2x plus 1 or multiply all with 2x plus 1. Okay. Okay, then differentiate. Okay. So u is 2x plus 1. U prime is 2. Okay. V is dy over dx. V prime is d square y over dx square, second derivative. Okay, and then this one same u. Then v is y, v prime dy over dx. Okay, now substitute. U v prime. Okay, u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, and then this one also u v prime plus v u prime. So 2x plus 1, okay, multiply with d square y over dx square, okay, then plus dy over dx, then u prime is 2, okay, and then right hand side 2e x, okay, and then u v prime 2x plus 1, okay, v prime is dy over dx, okay, and then vu prime, v is y, sorry, u v prime, okay, sorry, this one is vu prime, okay, sorry, vu prime, so v is y, okay, and then u prime is 2, okay. So we are going to show that 2x plus 1 d square y over dx square, okay, equals to 4x dy over dx, okay, minus 2x minus 1 y. Okay, so now 2x plus 1 d square y over dx square, okay, equals to bring 2 dy over dx to right hand side. So 2ex plus 2x dy over dx, okay, plus dy over dx minus 2 dy over dx, okay, and then plus 2y, okay. Okay, now we proceed to 2ex with 2ex, okay, substitute 2ex with this one, this one is 2ex, okay, substitute with 2x dy over dx minus with 2x plus 1y, okay. So from here, substitute here, from 1, sorry. So substitute 1 into here. Okay, substitute 1 into 2. Substitute 1 into 2. Okay, so 2x plus 1. Well, you can expand, expand. Okay, later lah, expand. 2x plus 1 dy over dx minus 2x plus 1 y. Line lambat sikit sorry. Plus 1 y. Okay, then this one you copy back. You copy this one. Copy here. Okay. How to erase this one? Okay, wait. Okay, sorry. Okay, now proceed. Okay, expand. So, okay, I continue here. 2x struggle lah ini nak tulis. Okay, then you expand this one. Okay, expand right hand side. Okay, so copy back left hand side, then you expand right hand side. So 2x dy over dx okay plus dy over dx okay, and then minus 2xy minus y okay, and then this one plus yang dalam bracket square ni, okay, dalam bracket square plus 2x dy over dx okay, then plus dy over dx, okay, minus, okay, we can simplify to dy over dx with dy over dx minus 2 dy over dx, so 1, so 1 dy over dx, then plus 2y, okay, then right hand side copy by left hand side, okay, sorry, I tak muat ni, okay, then simplify, okay, so for x dy over dx, okay, plus you know, wait, so dy over dx minus dy over dx is 0, okay, okay, and then this one is minus y plus 2 is, plus 2y is minus 2 xy minus y, okay, minus y, okay, so copy by left hand side, okay, then for x dy over dx, okay, sorry, minus, okay, factorize 2x minus 1, okay, this one is plus, sorry, okay, 2x minus 1, okay, y. So when we expand this one, we will get negative 2xy plus y, okay, so shown, okay, so you have to total all your marks, okay, total all your marks, okay, then you can fill Google form, Google form, okay, so I hope you understand all Muafakat set 6, okay, so thank you from me, Puan Syahida and Cikgu Ainan, okay, that's all, thank you.